In the vast, pristine quiet of the Arctic, perfection takes time. For a young polar bear named Whitey, perfection wasn't just found, it was made. And today, his masterpiece was ready for its first ever special delivery. The journey was long. Across frozen snow and ice, past coastlines carved by the wind. Every step, a promise. Every mile, a testament to the treasure he carried. Finally, he had arrived. A place where quality is always expected. And a friend is always welcome. A perfect delivery deserves a perfect reward. A treat so good. It's just perfection. Because when dedication meets artistry, you don't just get a better drink. You get a moment of pure perfection. At Trendy's bar, the peak of perfection is served and delivered.